Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. With me, Kotratin Nada. Personally, I'm a big fan of reading. I think reading is an excellent key to help you to improve your vocabulary, to remember natural grammar structures, and just to improve your overall knowledge of English. I'm sure most of you feel bored to learn English, right? Especially about grammar. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, past tense, past perfect continuous. Yeah, that's hard. I think so. But don't worry, today I'm gonna share you a book which will improve your speaking skill, because speaking is not a horror like you imagine. Actually, I know that you will feel like I can't speak English, I can learn English, I'm a good in a score of English, but it's just useless if you do not use it in your daily or. Alright, so I recommend a book for you as a beginners to learn English. I make sure that you will like it and also you will enjoy the book. If you're curious about the book, so stay tuned in this video. Well, I think it is a really great book. Why is that? Because I admire a lot of things about it. Alright, so the title of the book is English Made Easy Volume 1, so it means that it is a series book. It's written by Jonathan Crichton and Peter Coster. So this book is for young learner actually. It's for the beginners. Yeah, the first one, because the cover of the book is really interesting. So when the first time I see the books, like, alright, the cover is good, but I don't know the content, but I think I have to read this. Alright, like that. So, and the second one is pictures. So there are many pictures in that book, so it makes easier to the readers, especially for beginners, to understand. Oh, like that. Oh, like this. Oh, how to say what is your name, how to say that, and how to answer the question like this. Oh, like that. So that's a very helpful for beginners to learn English. And the last one, why I say that this is a good book, is every chapter, every unit of the book, there is like evaluation. So there's the exercise, the activity of the content of the book. So let's talk about the contents of the book. In Unit 1, what's your name? Alright, so in this unit, it tells about how to ask and answer the question about names. For example, what is your name? And then someone else, you can answer, my name is Bambang. So, what is your name? Could you tell me what's your name? Oh, my name is Jamila. Like that. So that is Unit 2. So it tells about how to invite people to come to your house, and how to accept the invitation, and so how to decline the invitation. Unit 3, I'd like you to meet my accountant. So it tells about how to introduce people and how to ask things. Alright, Unit 4, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? So it tells about how to start a conversation. So in Indonesia we call basa-basi, like that. So in Unit 5, it's a evaluation. It likes games. You should guess the name of the thing, the name of the picture, and also you will fill in the blank, and you need some activities in that book. Unit 6. Would you like something to drink? So it tells about how to offer something, how to accept an offer, and how to decline an offer. Unit 7. He's a tour guide. So it's talk about how to talk about occupations and also how to ask for clarification. Alright, Unit 8. I'm going to New York. So it tells about how to talk about travel and also how to ask how much it costs, about the cost like that. Unit 9. This one is better. So it tells about how to ask for and give opinions and how to disagree, how to agree, like that. And Unit 10, it is an evaluation. So it based on the chapter before. So there is a game or there is an activity that will evaluate the material before Unit 10. Unit 11, what's the matter? So it tells about how to say to someone about health and how to give greetings to someone. Unit 12, I live in the big house. So it tells about how to give your address and also how to ask about location. Unit 13, how much is this purse? So it tells about how to buy things, how to ask about skill of someone, and then how to give advice to someone. Unit 14 is the second street on the left. So it tells about how to ask for directions and how to give directions, how to use ordinal numbers, and how to use colors. Unit 15 is the evaluation from the material of the before the unit. Alright, Unit 16, she bought a cake. So it tells about how to talk about past and also present and how to make prediction and also how to make short descriptions. Alright, Unit 17, they're working in the gardens. So it tells about how to answer the telephone, how to make a telephone call, and then how to talk about what you like and dislike. Alright, Unit 18, what's the time? So it tells about how to say the time and how to make appointments. Unit 19, you're not allowed to park here. Alright, so it talks about how to use public transport and how to refuse and also give permission. Unit 20 is the evaluation from the material before the unit. And the last one is that's all. Alright, so I think this book is a really great for you as a beginners to learn English, especially in speaking, so you can practice your speaking. So it's better if you have a teacher, so especially English teacher, right? So you can practice with your teacher how to pronounce it. Is it right or no? Like that. And don't forget to use it in your daily life, because speaking it's not only about how you can pronounce it well and how you can pronounce like a native speaker, but you should know, okay, if your partner understand what you're saying. But that's okay. You think that, oh, alright, I want to speak English, but I'm shy. I cannot say that. I don't know. It doesn't. My mouth like that. Yes, I know that that's hard, but this time, from this time, you should try it. You should try even only one word. So, I have some tips. Maybe you can follow it. So a day you should speak English with yourself. No, it's not crazy, right? But yeah, you can say to your pet, maybe you have a cat in your house, then you speak to them like, oh, hello cats, oh, how are you today, like that. That's okay. That's one of the way that you can learn or you can improve your ability, because English is a language, right? So a language, you should use the language if you want to use about that. So I know that you will do. Alright, so I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for your nice attention, and thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, okay, comment, and also subscribe this channel, okay? So that's all from me. Thank you very much. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.